Beneath the vast sky, the Freedom 4X stands proudly in its element, its matte moss gray body reflecting the sun's embrace. The narrator introduces the vehicle. This is the Freedom 4X, built on the powerful long-wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter 419, fully electric, entirely off-grid, unapologetically bold. In a symphony of motion and design, BF Goodrich tires embrace the rugged earth, spinning atop Black Rhino stadium wheels. The camera gently sweeps into the interior of Freedom 4X, revealing sleeping pods bathed in the soft glow of solar panels. A quick cut reveals a smartphone seamlessly connecting to the van's advanced system, hinting at intuitive control. A narrator's voice reveals the sleeping pods deliver over 2 meters of crossbody sleeping space, insulated, intuitive, and made in-house. The Nespresso machine hums to life, brewing a rich aroma as drawers glide open with a whisper, revealing a kitchen of unparalleled sophistication. Swivel captain seats and a fold-out dining table beckon, illuminated by cozy lights dimming to create an intimate and inviting culinary haven. The stainless steel sink and filtered water tap gleam with understated elegance, complementing the 2-ring induction hob and soft-closed drawers. A wave of steam parts, revealing the wet room, where the echo of a shower being switched on heralds a moment of cleansing. With a mechanical sigh, an electric step unfolds, welcoming entry to a sanctuary of cleanliness. The narrator describes the wet room. A separate wet room, complete with retractable screen and stainless shower tray, no mess. Just clean.